Okay, the volume of rectangular prisms and all other prisms, I'm going to bypass this right here, and we're going to use the same one like we did before. So our prisms are going to be your volume, and you can circle it down below. Your volume is going to be equal to the area of the base times the height, or the distance, what, between the two bases. All right.
Wait, does that give us the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you'll see it. That right there, that formula feeds into that one. You'll see it. We're gonna do it. You'll see it. You'll see it feed. Well, the length times width. So if you have a rectangular base, length times width is the area, right? And then times the height.
Which is basically the same thing.
Yes, it's the same thing. Yeah. So let's do that, because you're not going to see. I'm only giving you the formulas that you're going to see on your PSAT, SAT.
Oh.
Okay. I'm looking out for you. I promise. Okay. So yes. So the area of our base. So let's go ahead and highlight him. There he is. So that's going to be what? Thank you, Brianna. 9 times 17. And then what's the height? What's the distance between the two bases?
The height is 24.
Okay. So multiply that out.
3617.
Yes.
3,672.
Okay, and we have moved on from area to volume, so our dimensions will have to be what? Cubed. Yeah, excellent. Okay, questions on that?
That's the answer?
Mm-hmm.
What if you don't put cube?
Well, technically you're missing it because you're not stating that it's actually volume. Okay. All right, we're going to jump down to 4. So what is our base this time? Can you see this one? Yeah. Do you see it? This is a top. So now your bases are top to bottom. Top to bottom. I'm going to shade in the bottom one. This is the bottom. The 4?
Yeah, I can see it, but
Okay, so we're going to use for our triangle, we have to use the 1/2 base times height. Okay. So what is the height of the triangle?
7.3.
And the base? Where does it?
9.
No, where does it hit at a 90 degree? Which side?
12.
Yeah, it hits the 12 at a 90 degree right here. That's always your clue. Okay. And the height, what's the distance between? That is the 5. Okay. So see what that gets you.
219.
Yeah.
12.
438.
Did you have it?
I need 12.
How did I? Okay, so when we want to find the volume, and we want to find the volume of our cylinder, it's basically still the same formula. It's your big B, your area of your base, times the height, distance between the two bases. Because what's the area of a circle? What's the area of a circle?
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared, and that's what they have, right?
Oh, okay.
So it's the same thing. They're just sent. Remember, cylinders don't change like your prisms do. So that's just a set pi r square. That makes sense? Mm-hmm. Okay. So let's take a look. So we're going to find the volume of this one. So pi r squared. And then the distance between the two bases. So we need radius.
18.
And the height.
15.
15. Okay? Put that in the calculator and see what you get.
Well, I got 15. Wait.
A little higher than that.
1,526. No, 15,000.
There you go. Yeah, you should get a 15,268.14 and inches cubed.
She said it was hard.
I didn't mean it literally. Okay, so this time we have a radius of 5.5 and our height of 21. So get all of that multiplied out. 1,995.7. These are in meters.